This is not a regular meatloaf. It tastes just like Thanksgiving because we're using stuffing instead of breadcrumbs and ground turkey. So let me show you how to do it. Take any flavor of stovetop stuffing, add some chicken broth to it, and just let that soften up for a little bit in there. And the full recipe for this is on my website if you want it. But you're gonna add 2 eggs, a little bit of jarred gravy, and that sauce that starts with a W, you know what it is. Then you're gonna add your ground turkey and season it with pepper and a little bit of salt. The gravy and stuffing is salty as it is, so just watch it there. Mix it together, but don't over mix it. This is a very moist meatloaf, but you still just want to be careful that you don't over mix it and make it too dense. We want it nice and light and fluffy. So form it into the meatloaf shape, and then you're gonna bake it in the oven. And once it's done, you're gonna warm up that jar of gravy and put it all over the top like that. And at this point, you're gonna be thinking, it really does smell like Thanksgiving in here. And just wait until you taste it. This is one of those recipes that once you make it, you'll be back. It's so light and fluffy, and it just tastes so unique. I really hope you guys give this one a try. I know that you're gonna love it.